On Friday, January 3rd, Cerence AI stock soared following an announcement of a collaboration with NVIDIA. Cerence stated that NVIDIA's AI platform will expedite the development of automotive large language models. Then, with Cerence set to present at the 27th Annual Needham Growth Conference on January 14th at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time, attention has suddenly exploded around this relatively unknown company. Let's learn more about them by taking a look at what they offer, their plans to grow, and deal with competition, while also weighing the potential weaknesses and strengths of their approach. Cerence is a company that develops AI-powered virtual assistants specifically designed for various forms of transportation, including automobiles, planes, tractors, cruise ships, and elevators. Their solutions enable natural interactions between vehicles, drivers, passengers, and the digital world. They provide their services to nearly all major automobile original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, worldwide, such as BMW, Daimler, Ford, and Volkswagen. The company generates revenue primarily through selling software licenses and cloud-connected services, along with professional services related to their work with OEMs and suppliers during the design, development, and deployment of vehicle models. Their main focus is a software platform that allows customers to build virtual assistants capable of communicating, finding information, and taking action across various categories such as navigation, control, media, communication, information, and tools. They state their platform combines edge computing and cloud connectivity for performance, reliability, efficiency, security, tight vehicular integration, and flexibility. The company delivers their software platform through their professional services organization, working with OEMs and suppliers to tailor it to specific vehicle models' requirements, configurations, and acoustic characteristics. They offer initial implementation, including porting key technologies to the customer's hardware and software platforms and developing specific dialogues and grammar libraries. After that, they provide ongoing maintenance and enhancement services over the head unit program and vehicle model lifecycle. Cerence Edge software components are installed on a vehicle's head unit and offer capabilities like automatic speech recognition, natural language understanding, noise cancellation, voice biometrics, wake-up word, text-to-speech synthesis, and other non-speech technologies. They are marketed as providing performance, vehicle systems integration, availability, reduced cost, and privacy benefits. These Edge components can support over 70 languages and dialects. They are sold under a traditional per-unit perpetual software license model, with fees charged for each software instance installed on an automotive head unit. Cloud-connected components are offered as part of their software platform for AI-powered virtual assistants in various transportation sectors. These cloud-connected components include speech and natural language understanding technologies, AI-enabled personalization, context-based response frameworks, and content integration platforms. They provide enhanced functionality through increased computational power and access to external content compared to Edge components. Cloud-connected components also allow for personalized settings replication across multiple vehicles. Customers receive these services via a connected service during the initial subscription period, which typically spans several years from a vehicle sale, paid in advance by OEMs or suppliers. Renewal options are managed by customers on behalf of vehicle end users. It is also possible for multiple virtual assistants to coexist within an automotive environment to cater to various needs of drivers and passengers. This is because while vehicle-specific virtual assistants can handle tasks like navigation, familiar internet-based virtual assistants are preferred for general domains such as entertainment. The software platform allows third-party virtual assistant integration into the in-vehicle experience, with cognitive arbitration technology managing user requests and selecting the best-suited virtual assistant to respond. This offers OEMs control over their brand identity and strengthens their ability to differentiate and design the overall driver and passenger experience within the vehicle. Cerence has a large professional services team that collaborates with its clients throughout the vehicle development process, from design to deployment, as well as maintenance and enhancements. The team offers various capabilities such as natural language understanding development, personalization of grammar, localization, navigation speech data generation, system prompt recordings, cognitive arbitration technology deployment, user experience reviews, and studies. This team is globally distributed to cater to clients in their primary production and design locations. Their services are typically project-based and charged to manufacturers according to non-recurring engineering industry practices. The company explains its strengths lie in its industry-leading speech-related technology, hybrid edge cloud system architecture, bespoke vehicle integration and acoustic tuning, interoperability with third-party internet-based virtual assistants, independence from large tech companies and automobile industry players, OEM alignment, broad language coverage, and a global network of deep relationships with OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. They state their advanced speech recognition systems enable natural conversations between vehicles, drivers, and passengers while adapting to the specific acoustics and audio system components of each vehicle model. Moreover, Cerence platform supports over 70 languages and dialects, providing comprehensive solutions for various global automotive markets. In the coming years, Cerence plans to grow through three key strategies: expanding their core technology, developing new applications for innovative use cases, and targeting non-automobile transportation markets, such as two-wheel vehicles, trucks, public transit, and fleet markets. They plan to maintain product leadership by investing in edge software components, cloud-connected functionalities, and customized solutions for specific vehicle models. They also aim to invest in interoperability with third-party virtual assistants and provide updated functionality to their large installed base. The company explains the automobile cognitive assistance market is competitive, with two primary sets of competitors: large technology companies such as Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, Baidu, and Tencent offering internet-based virtual assistants, and smaller, focused competitors like SoundHound and iFlytek. These companies compete for business directly with Cerence. Despite the competition, Cerence still contends they have competitive advantages such as scale, globally distributed team, a portfolio of compatible languages, deep experience in the automotive market, superior technology, and continuous investment in their offerings. The industry may attract new entrants, but OEMs usually prefer suppliers with a proven record of performance while also evaluating them based on factors like product quality, price, reliability, design capability, technical expertise, innovation, financial viability, customer service, and overall management. To back up their assertions, Cerence commonly lists the following technological capabilities they claim can set them apart from the crowd. For example, speech signal enhancement, which helps in capturing high-quality voice input signals despite ambient interior sounds and noise from around the vehicle. Alongside automatic speech recognition, ASR, a technology designed for automotive applications, supporting over 70 languages and dialects, with features like free-form conversational interpretation and barge-in capabilities. Something that goes hand in hand with natural language understanding, NLU, which matches user requests to appropriate categories and domains to interpret their intent using AI reasoning. Likewise, a vocalizer. Text-to-speech and natural language generation enable cognitive assistants to speak by offering text-to-speech functionality in over 65 languages and dialects, along with custom voices for brands to differentiate themselves. Then, to address personal preferences, privacy concerns, and prioritize safety, there are voice biometrics, a functionality that can authenticate and personalize the automotive experience based on users' voices. Something that is complemented by push-to-talk, wake-up words, and just talk, which are methods for invoking virtual assistants via buttons, wake-up words or phrases, or just talking. Then, to be even more adaptive, cognitive arbitration is technology that routes arbitrary requests to the most appropriate virtual assistant or bot, even third-party ones. Other improvements to enhance AI's understanding relates to multi-seat intelligence, something that is described as a flexible design that allows for efficient and robust multi-user speech recognition in challenging acoustic environments. Further accommodation is also possible with non-speech, multimodal input, which incorporates input methods beyond speech like gestures, gaze, predictive text, and handwriting. The company explains all these technologies work together to provide a seamless cognitive assistant experience across various transportation modes. To make all this technology possible, there are technical engineering centers globally that contribute to developing their AI-powered virtual assistant software platform and its components. They employ around 800 R&D personnel, including scientists, engineers, and technicians. In 2024, R&D expenses were approximately $121.6 million, $123.3 million in 2023, and $107.1 million in 2022. The company believes that further investment in R&D is crucial for delivering market-leading solutions in automotive cognitive assistance, and they plan to continue investing in their product portfolio and growth opportunities. Cerence's customer base consists of nearly all major original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and their Tier 1 suppliers worldwide. Their automobile manufacturer clients include BMW, Xpeng, Stellantis, Ford, Daimler, Geely, Renault, Nissan, SAIC, Toyota, Harley-Davidson, Volkswagen Group, and others, which made up around 57% of their sales in fiscal year 2024. Tier 1 supplier customers, selling components to OEMs, include Aptiv, Bosch, Continental, Denso 10, NIO, Harman, and many others, representing approximately 43% of their business during the same period. Geographically, their revenue was diversified with 42%, 34%, and 24% coming from the Americas, Europe, and Asia respectively in fiscal year 2024. As for marketing, Cerence employs a so-called high-touch OEM model, selling directly to major automobile manufacturers and their suppliers. Their sales team comprises approximately 100 employees, including sales representatives, account managers, sales engineers, product managers, and marketing experts. They leverage existing relationships with customers for sales strategy and provide individualized demo days and proof of concepts to maintain market presence and gather customer feedback. The company's professional services organization consists of around 300 employees who work closely with customers during the design phase to tailor the platform for specific requirements and vehicle models, offering maintenance engagements for cloud-connected solutions. This deep integration is said to support their ability to secure future business with customers. Then, although the company maintains it has a strong leadership position derived from their edge software technology-based products and services, they are planning to increase their focus on cloud-connected services. However, Cerence does recognize this strategic shift might negatively impact their near-term revenue growth and overall financial performance due to increased R&D costs, potential difficulties in developing and integrating new cloud-connected components with existing hybrid technologies, and the need to adapt to market demands. Other cautions revolve around potential pricing pressures Cerence may face from their customers, including major OEMs. These pressures could result from fixed prices or annual price reduction commitments for long-term sales arrangements. The company acknowledges that any price reductions could impact their sales and profit margins, affecting future profitability. They emphasize the importance of continuously reducing costs for their components and successfully designing and marketing technological improvements to counteract these challenges. Other considerations to consider relate to privacy and data security requirements, since non-compliance could result in additional costs and liabilities. This is because jurisdictions across the world are establishing their own data security and privacy frameworks, such as GDPR in Europe, Swiss data protection laws, and emerging regulations in the US like CCPA and CPRA. Increasing privacy and data security requirements worldwide are noted as posing uncertainties due to varying interpretations. These issues can become even more important as the company generates a significant portion of its revenue from international markets, particularly Europe and Asia. On a related note, Cerence is also exposed to less effective intellectual property protection outside the US and difficulties managing operations in multiple locations worldwide. For more on Cerence and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.